In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track trading volume across exchanges. Tracking trading volumes is a vital aspect of cryptocurrency investment and can provide insightful data about the market trends, liquidity, and the overall activity surrounding a particular coin. We're going to use CoinMarketCap, a well-known and trusted resource in the crypto community. So let's dive right in and explore this essential skill together. First, you'll want to open your browser and go to CoinMarketCap's website. This is an extensive resource that lists the trading volumes, prices, and several other trading metrics of thousands of cryptocurrencies. You'll find their interface user-friendly, and it's free to use. It's an excellent starting point for both beginners and seasoned investors looking to track and analyze cryptocurrency trends. Once you have CoinMarketCap open, you'll see a wide array of information on the homepage. This includes trending coins, gainers, and losers. However, to track trading volume specifically, you'll need to click on the coin you're interested in. Let's say you want to look at Bitcoin, which is usually featured prominently due to its popularity and market cap. Simply find Bitcoin or any other coin of interest from the list, or use the search bar to locate it quickly. After clicking on the coin, you'll be directed to a dedicated page specific to that cryptocurrency. Here you'll find a summary of various key details, including market capitalization, current price, and 24-hour trading volume. To zero in on trading volume across different exchanges, look for the Markets tab on the page. This tab is usually located along the top portion of the page or in a menu, depending on your screen size. Clicking on the Markets tab will display a detailed list of exchanges where the selected cryptocurrency is traded. Here you'll find the names of the exchanges and other useful information like the pairs in which the coin is traded, the price, and crucially, the 24-hour volume on each exchange. This table allows you to get an overview of where most trading activity is occurring and can help to evaluate the liquidity of the cryptocurrency on those exchanges. When you navigate to the volume section, carefully observe and evaluate this information. The trading volumes will reflect how actively a currency is being bought and sold on each exchange. Higher volumes typically indicate better liquidity, which can lead to more stable price movements and potentially less price manipulation. By following these steps, you can track trading volumes across exchanges effectively. Consistently monitoring these volumes is invaluable whether you are a long-term investor or a day trader. It provides deeper insights into market conditions and helps you make informed trading decisions. So, take your time to explore CoinMarketCap further, and don't hesitate to delve into related metrics that can complement your trading strategy.